Archive Any Links is a desktop application which enables its users to archive and retrieve documents and emails whilst also allowing them to create and store notes against SAP transactional data. This video demonstrates how the software might be used in conjunction with SAP transaction FBL5N. Users are able to continue operating the transaction as usual. This ensures security is maintained, as the links application will only return data that the user is permitted to access through their SAP ID. Here you can see we have an invoice that is overdue. Once the document is accessed, users then open the Archive Any Links application. Links runs on the side of the SAP window and boasts a simple and easy to navigate layout. The four buttons across the top of the window enable users to gain quick access to the different document archives, browse through the notes history, or refresh the on-screen data within the application. The tabs down the left-hand side show the different SAP windows open and available for archiving. The tabs on the right-hand side of the window show the current business object being accessed and any objects that are linked to the current data. With the links application open, users are able to view the notes history to check any previous activity on the document. In this case, we can see the customer has been contacted and has raised a price query. Once the price query had been resolved, users can then add another note to document this step in the process. The Notes feature enables users to keep track of any changes or store additional details that may be useful to a document. Notes can be shared with all users or made private by checking the corresponding box. Private notes are only visible to the creating user. Notes are displayed in date sequence with the local storage time and the creator's username. As well as documenting changes, Archive Any Links also enables users to store any supporting documentation. In this instance, we have a credit note and the email correspondence regarding the price query that we wish to archive alongside the document. Links offers multiple storage facilities. Firstly, there is the SAP Archive. When users access the SAP Archive tab, Archive Any Links is able to retrieve any documents currently stored in the local SAP Archive. These documents can then be viewed by selecting one from those listed below. To archive a new document, users simply browse to the document on their desktop, then drag and drop the file into the Links application. Links requires the user to choose a name for the attachment, and then click Import. The newly archived document is then listed with the other documents in the archive and can be instantly viewed upon selection. Archive Any Links also features the use of external file storage. This option does not make use of SAP Archive Link functionality, so can be used where an SAP archive is not available. Under the External Archive tab, users can again drag and drop files to be stored in a local shared drive or SharePoint folder, for example. Using external file storage makes it possible for users to store email files with or without attachments. Emails are stored as HTML files and any attachments are stored in their native format. These documents are again instantly accessible through the Links application.